guys, and welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? Oh, I have been gone for a while and I am so sorry about that. As you could tell from the title, we are doing our Boxycharm unboxing today. I'm pretty excited about it. I did not choose a choice item, so I have no idea what I'm getting. And I just re-signed up this month, so I should have a reactivation gift in here. So that'll be fun. Also, I know you guys can all understand, but life has been insane. I am currently in my living room because my husband is working in the guest bedroom where I usually am, and the kids are doing homeschool in the basement, and I'm just like, life has been crazy. So anyways, without further ado, I say we jump right into this and do what you've all been waiting for. Okay, the first thing I'm seeing here, I'm actually really hyped about, is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. I looked this up on Sephora because my sister got it. And people were saying, like, take before and after pictures. Like, this you will notice a difference with your skin, smaller pores, smaller wrinkles. And I'm like, yes, please. So I am super excited to try something like that. My pores have been so bad lately. I feel like they're like going on my face and like making weird little wrinkles. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's not good. And don't mind my lighting because I'm just living room lighting today. Let me know what you think of this. I mean, obviously it doesn't have all my beauty stuff in it, but if you like this background for unboxings, we can do more of that here. So here it is. That's a pretty nice size, and it's a really nice packaging. So I am excited about this for sure. I don't know how this works. Like, oh, the pump is like a squeezy thing, and this is a dropper. Okay, that's really cool, actually. I always like weird innovation. All right, the next thing I got is, okay, I was really hoping for this. The Natasha Denona palette. Okay, who else was dying to get this palette? Anybody want it and didn't get it? Obviously, we have to swatch this out. Take my little things off. All right, first we have what looks like a nice little transition shade. Yeah, and that'll be nice on me. Feels like I'm supposed to be wearing this with this palette, but instead, or with this outfit today, but instead I matched my hair. These are actually really, really nice creamy colors, and they just keep going on and on, like when you're swatching them out. All right, I really like kind of that dusty pinky orange color right there. And then we've got one shimmer in here. Oh wow, that is stunning. I cannot wait to wear that. I mean, is that not the perfect like fall winter palette? So I'm pretty excited about that. I'll probably have to wear it with this shirt again. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm showing you my shirt. All right, here's our little pamphlet, and I saw that we were getting 25% off Natasha Denona, so that's pretty exciting. All right, so that was 1 and 2. Then here we have the Milk Makeup Waterproof Mascara. And you know how I feel about packaging. And since over here in the living room, kitchen area, I brought associated tools. Okay, wow, this is quite the bottle. This is a really big size. I actually really like these kind of mascara ones. I'm already wearing mascara, but I don't really like the mascara I'm wearing. I was trying to give it another shot. Unfortunately, it's just too dry to put this over it, but oh well. I actually feel like it helped a little bit. Yeah, I actually do. I also love the color. All right, next we have the lip oil. Okay, so what I am noticing here real fast is that this box is exactly the same box that I have seen everyone who rejoined this month get. Like the exact same. My sister rejoined this month, and now that I'm looking, we got this same exact box. Everyone we looked into who got this welcome back palette thing got this exact box. So that's kind of a little annoying because it didn't work with anyone's preferences, but at the same time, it's a good box, so can't complain too much. So we have this, I think it says INT, maybe I'll cheat and look on here. INT Cosmetics Lip Oil. I am not a lip oil person. I feel like it feels like there's greasy pizza on my mouth and that I just want to wipe it away. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that. I was gonna not open it and maybe give it as a gift, and I started opening it. I just don't know. I don't know about lip oils for me. Like, feels like this big trendy thing and I just can't get on board with it. So the last thing we have is this Puro Primero Primer. Long wear sticky pigment base, excuse me. So I've heard people call it an eyeshadow primer. Let's see what this says. A water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and maximize color and pearl dimension. Okay, so it is. It's water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter to provide skin conditioning and moisturizing. So my sister said that it is unbearably sticky for her. So I guess that's kind of their point. They say you can also use it as a glitter adhesive. I want to kind of try this out just out of curiosity. Okay, it is really thick sticky, so I see that issue there. I'm going to go back into the palette and just get the shimmer shade and see if we see any difference there between here and here. I actually do. If you can tell when this one catches the light, it is definitely probably adhering stronger, so it's catching it better. That is interesting. Is that just in my head, or can you guys see that too? And the last thing I have in here is the Queen palette by Eloise. I already own this and I have no idea what to do with a second palette. Like, do you guys feel any need for having two of the same palette? Like two of the same mascara? Yes. Two of the same lipstick? Sometimes. But I mean, I have so many eyeshadows, the chances that I'm going to run out of an entire one is just so low. So that's the only thing for me. Obviously, it is almost Christmas, so I'm hoping I can find somebody to give that to. It is a very bright color palette, and I tend to be one of the only ones, aside from my sister who already owns it, to really like these bright colored things. So I don't know if I will find a place for that. However, I mean, a free pallet's a free pallet, right? So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm really liking this box. I'm excited to try things out. I will probably give the lip oil a chance because why not? And here is our box. In theory, that worked, but in reality, not so good. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you for hanging out with me and doing this unboxing. If you want to see the look with the Natasha Denona palette, please let me know. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe if you enjoyed this, even a little bit, maybe. And also click the little bell to be notified when I upload, because apparently these days it is very rarely. I'm so sorry about that, and I have been slacking. So I will try and get better. I know I say that way too often. Empty promises. I get it. I hope you guys all have a good day. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Let me know what you think of this. It's weird because it is a lot bluer in the camera than it is in real life. It's a little more on the green side, but I really love it. Anyways, if I haven't said it already, have a great day, and I will hopefully see you soon. Bye.